Today's winner of our beautiful glam box is sen_111. Please check your email, girly. I'm so excited to give you this gift and keep on watching because we're going to be having even more beautiful giveaways coming up this year. Hi, my loves y amores. I am so excited for this New Year's Eve pink glam makeup. Now we're starting off with this beautiful nude color that we're gonna blend into the inner corner of our eyes and into the outer corners, really making sure to blend it all the way out. Then we're gonna go into this beautiful purple shimmery color and we're gonna blend that into our outer corners, really making sure to blend the color in. Now always make sure when you're picking up your colors, go with a very light hand and then build your way up. That way it makes the application seamless and it really builds the color up beautiful. Now we'll go into our lightest color and we're gonna put that on top of the lid. Now I really love to pack it on because it really makes that dimension pop out and it really creates that beautiful contrast that we want to see in our eyes. Because it's New Year's, we have to have some glitter and sparkle. So we're gonna go into this beautiful champagne color and we're gonna grab a little bit and we're gonna start. If you want to be inspired for your next look, don't forget to like and subscribe. It on the inner corners with just a very light hand. We'll go back in and we'll add a little bit more and you'll start to see as that beautiful color starts to build up. Then I'll go back to my ColourPop and I'm going to go into this really sparkly color. Now I know we really want to go in and put a lot, but because the color is so dense, we're going to add it slowly. And then we'll go back to our flower nose, which by the way, if you guys want a code, do the Crystal Pearl to get a discount on anything flower nose. And then we're gonna put it in right in the middle. And then afterward, we'll go into this gorgeous P. Louise mascara. And I'm gonna use this to lift up my lashes and really open them up. I really love this mascara because it just really gets all of my curly lashes and it really opens my eyes up beautifully. This year flew by so fast. I just can't believe that we're about to be in 2025. I'm already setting my goals. I already have my vision board, and I'm so excited to see everything that is coming this year. What are you guys planning for this year? Set the intention because I believe that you can achieve whatever you set your heart to. Now we're going to this e.l.f. liner that I absolutely love. It literally is only $2, and I've been using it for many years. And I'll put that into my entire eye, and I'll bring it all the way across. Now, eyeliner can be tricky, but my advice is just to practice, 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 and start off with thin strokes. Once we've perfected our line, we're going to get our beautiful fan and we're going to dry this eyeliner out. And then to create our signature Cleopatra look, we're going to bring the eyeliner all the way down. This is really going to make our eyes stand out, and it's going to be really the focal point for New Year's. Whether you're out and about, you're staying home, going to a party, it's really going to be different with the pink and the sparkles and all of the glam. And then I'll go back and I'll add a little bit more liner. This is where I say that it's beneficial to do it just really thin and then adding more, because if not, you're gonna make a mess and you're gonna need lots of Q-tips. Now, of course, going on to my favorite, lashes. We're gonna grab this beautiful set. I love this set because there's multiple lashes for you to choose from. And of course, we have to do the ones that are the biggest and most glam. And I'm gonna put some glue on them and then I'll get my nail stick and I'll stick them on. And while we're waiting for our lashes to dry, we'll go back to our ColourPop palette and we'll go into that beautiful purple shimmery color. And we're gonna put this underneath our eyes. This is going to create that beautiful dramatic and sultry look that we're going for this New Year's Eve. And once we've applied it on our lower lash line, we'll go back to our eyeliner, and any spots that we see that still have glue or just need a little bit of touch up, we'll go back in. I love to do this at the end because it just darkens everything up and it really makes our eyes come out once again. And we'll fan everything out, making sure that everything's dry. And then we'll go to this beautiful flower nose blush and I'm gonna apply that onto the apples of my cheeks, really blending it into my hairline and bringing it into my eyes as well too. To have seamless application, this is a trick. You blend it right into your eyeshadow and into your brow bone, and you're not going to be able to see where it starts or it begins. And then we'll put a little bit on our nose to bring everything together. And then I'm going to go into this beautiful color that we're going to apply onto our lips. I love the shade and also the way that it feels because it's really creamy. And we're going to line our lips. I just discovered P. Louise and I am obsessed. I love all of her products. They're so beautiful, so shimmery, so rich that I am just obsessed. Now, if you haven't seen my P. Louise advent calendar that I unboxed 25 days of nothing but beautiful products, check it out right after this video. Now we're gonna blend in that lip liner into our lips, and then we're gonna go into this nude color that has this very mauve tone to it, and it's just going to bring everything together. And we're gonna apply that onto our lips. And once we've applied it, we're gonna go into my newest obsession, which is this gorgeous lip gloss. I don't even know the way to describe it except that it's like very shimmery, it's really glossy, and it completely changes the look of your lips. It really brings it out in this reflective formula. I'm just obsessed with this. And I'm gonna apply it onto my lips all the way around. And once I finish that, we of course need even more sparkle. So we're gonna get some highlight, and I'm gonna get this beautiful color, which we're gonna get our finger and we're gonna put a little bit on our nose. We'll put at the tip and then we'll bring it all the way up, and we'll go back to our highlighter palette, and I'm gonna pick up this brassy gold. Now, what I really love about this palette is that you can pick up multiple colors to create your own, and we'll put some onto our cheekbones to really bring up that highlight, and we'll put some on both sides. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous, glimmery, shimmery, and gold, and beautiful for New Year's. And after we've applied that, we're done. I'm just kidding. We have one more thing to do. We're going to get some glitter hairspray. Now, I picked this up at my local spirit store. Every year, I make sure to grab a couple of them just because I can use it in so many different ways. And we're gonna put some on our hair. I'm gonna spray this all over, and the glitter is going to look absolutely incredible. No matter where you go, you are going to look incredible, amazingly, and your beautiful self. I love you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys have a blessed and fun New Year's, and I cannot wait to see all and everything that I know you're going to accomplish this upcoming year. I love you guys so much. Los amo. Mwah!